Hey, what's up you guys? It's Christiana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a review slash try on haul of a package I got from Silverrr on Instagram. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I will be putting the link to the website and Instagram in the description. But without further ado, let's just get on with this video. Before I start, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I bought one of the items, but then he threw in a free one because the shipping took super long. So that's really cool. So I believe I have a hoodie and a t-shirt in here. Yeah, we're just gonna open it. It's just in a regular polymailer thing. My address is on the other side, but let's just get to opening this package. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, so take it out. Okay, yeah, I do have two things in here. So it's in another bag, which I actually really like. That makes it seem super duper professional. And then we have, I believe this one's a shirt, yeah, because it's smaller. I'm gonna do the shirt first, okay? So it's just in like another bag, like a plastic bag, which again, I really like. That makes it seem super professional. Oh my gosh. I got both of these in a large, so I don't really know how they're gonna fit because I don't know. I probably should have gotten a medium, but okay. So this is what the shirt looks like. It's like printed onto the shirt, I think. I don't know, because it doesn't feel like an iron-on thing. It could be, but if it is, it's really, really good. Like, it was done very well, but it's like I can't peel it off. It feels like it's in the material, you know. But this quality is super good. It's just a Gildan shirt. It's a heavy cotton one. I actually really like this, to be honest. It's stretchy, and I love this design. It's so nice. Okay, next we have the hoodie. I'm so excited for this. I got this when it was still cold, and it's not really cold anymore. So I don't know if I'm going to end up wearing this a whole lot, but either way. Okay, wow, this is super nice. So it has a tag on it. That is so cool. Like, I know like a lot of brands have it, but it's just this, you don't really expect that from small businesses. This feels like super good. I haven't even showed you guys what it looks like. Hold on, let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. It like has a chain going down kind of. I don't know if you can fully tell. I don't know if you can get the full effect. But yeah, so it's like, it just says Wicked Silverrr and kind of looks like a flame font in a way. And then it has like a chain going around it. And then the rest of the hoodie is just black. It has a hood, obviously, and it has the strings. I'm really happy that it has the strings, to be honest. That's something really small that I really like. This feels, it's like thick, but it's not like thick and you're gonna get super hot, but I can tell it would keep me warm, and it's actually pretty soft on the inside, and this feels like super good quality. Again, I don't know if this is iron-on or what, because I can't like peel it off or anything like that. I don't know. It's really good though. It looks like this is gonna fit me really well. I don't know so much for the t-shirt, but it's not that big of a deal if it's really big, because I like really big t-shirts anyways. But I'm going to try these on, and I will show you guys that. Okay, this is the first item. This is the shirt. It's actually pretty long. It goes past my butt, but I really like that it's like long, but it's not super duper baggy. Like, it is obviously kind of baggy, but it's like very nice. I really like this. I love the length, because this is the kind of shirt I was already planning on to wear with like cargo pants, and I already have an outfit idea for this. And this is, I really like this shirt. Oh my gosh, I feel so good in it. It's like perfect. I like how the neck ends right here instead of like, you know, kind of choking me. Oh my gosh, I really like this shirt. Wow, you did amazing. But here's another close-up of the print. It's just a skull. It says Wicked Silver with some chains. And then what does it say right there? Silver hearts don't break. Oh, that's actually really cool. I didn't even know it said that. So this is the free shirt that I got. I was gonna buy it anyways, but he gave it to me for free. So I really like that. My hair looks kind of cool. Just curling up ends. Anyways, that's not even part of this. I think I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. This is so nice. I love this shirt so much, and I already have so many outfits in mind. So go follow my Instagram so you can see like those fits I'm gonna end up posting. Yeah, so now let's get into the hoodie. I'm so excited. Okay, right off the bat, this is so comfortable. Oh my gosh, I haven't even looked at myself in the mirror. Hold on. And this kind of goes down my butt, like goes down to the bottom of my butt. Also for size reference, this is a large. I am I'm 5'6", almost 5'7", and I think I'm like 130 pounds. I don't know. So if you like how this fits on me and you want to get this and we have similar body types and you're like similar in size, yeah, get a large. It's so nice. I feel like a medium would be a little too tight, so I'm actually really happy about this. It's so soft on the inside. It has pockets. I love this print so much. It's so nice. Okay, let's try with the hoodie on. I haven't taken the tag off. I feel so comfortable. Like, I feel like I could go to sleep right now. I love this so much. This is a 10 out of 10 as well. I can't wait for them to drop more pieces. I'm definitely gonna buy again soon. So I love this so much. It's so amazing. I can't even look in the viewfinder. I just keep looking at myself. This is so comfortable. I could like knock out right now. But I forgot, I was gonna say something and I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I was gonna say the prices. So I believe the shirt is around 20 bucks. I'm not too sure. I didn't buy the shirt. 99% sure that the sweatshirt or the hoodie, whatever it's called, I don't really know, is like $35. I'm not too sure, but the shipping took, I think, like a month, but that's just because he was having technical difficulties, whatever. And then he sent me a free shirt along with it too, so that really makes up for it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this stuff so much. I've been trying to get into more graphic stuff lately because I went through a phase where I just wore a lot of basic clothes and I don't really like that anymore. So I've been trying to grow my collection of graphic stuff, and this definitely, oh my gosh, this definitely added to it. Let me put a chain on. I want to see what it looks like. Okay, I put some chains on and some jewelry. I really like how I look right now because of this. Oh my gosh. This is the jewelry we have on. My gosh. I love this sweater. Oh, I love the shirt too. I think I'm just saying more about the sweater because I have it on right now and I don't have the shirt on right now. It is so comfy though. This is like one of the comfiest sweaters I even own. I'm really scared to wash it though because it's like the soft fluffy material on the inside, and it's like, you know, when you wash it wrong, it messes it up. But I love this so much. I definitely give this brand a 10 out of 10. I really recommend it, and you guys should go shop. Again, the link will be in my description. Make sure to go follow, go support them, please. They are a Black-owned business, so if you are wanting to support Black-owned businesses, that is a perfect one for you to support. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for sending me these. I'm really excited for what you are going to release, and I can't wait to buy more. Oh my gosh. This is probably one of the best clothing purchases I've ever made. Oh, thank you so much. So yeah, again, I give the brand 10 out of 10. Go support them, go shop with them, show them some love. And with that being said, again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on my post notifications so you know whenever I upload a new YouTube video. Bye!